Mission. Welcome to Lesson 1. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to read piano notes. This is a semi-view. It has 4 beats. It's also called a whole note. This is a minute. If you get 2 minutes, then it will equal 4 beats. Because in a minute, there's 2 beats. It's also called a half note because it's half of a semi-breve. This is a crotchet. If you go 4 crotchets, they will equal a semi-breve. If you can only get 4 because there's only 1 beat in a crotchet. It's like counting in ones in maths. Now, this is a quaver. You draw it with, it's like you draw a crotchet, but then you have a tail at the end. The tail always has to face the right. This is also called a quaver, but then the stem's here, and then you add another stem that goes straight, but then you go back up. That's also called a quaver. So if you get 4 quavers, because this is half a note. And it's also called an 8th note. But if you get 2 of these, it will also make a semi-breve. Sorry about that. But there's 8 quavers in a semi-breve because there's only half a note. So then there will be 8 quavers. 8 quavers. So then you can make a semi-breve. There's also need to be 4 of these because it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, you actually only need 2. Well, sorry, you need so you only need 4 of these because 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8. So, if you connect all of these together, like this, there will be 4 quavers. It's like this one, but you just add an extra line there. So, plus, 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 and plus. Do you know what this is called? Now, pause the video and ask and think. And then if you get your question, if you have your question in your head, then pause it. Now, if your answer was a semi-quaver, well, then you got it correct. Well done. Now, let's move up to our next question. Now, since you learned all of these, go get a piece of paper and write the question. How many quavers are there in a semi? Now, the answer. So how many quavers are there in a semi-breve plus a crotchet? Now remember, a quaver is half a note. So semi-breve, we already know the answer, has 8. A crotchet is 1 beat. So we have 8. Half, remember, quavers are half. So then you go half, half. That will equal 1. So then the answer is 10. So write down number 10. Another way of doing it, so do plus. A crotchet has 2 beats. Well, with the quaver 2 beats, so then you write 2. Now, calculate this together, and the answer is 10. Now, let's move to the next question. What's the minim also called? A minim is also called, do you remember? If you don't, move back. A minim is also called a half note because it's half of a semibreve. Because a semibreve has 4 beats and a minim has 2. So then, so 2 is half of a beat of 4. So then the answer will be half note. Now let's move to the next one. How many quavers are there in a semibreve? Remember, we also talked about this already. And it's kind of obvious because we did it twice in this lesson. The last one, here's the answer here. So, if you know it, then write it down on your piece of paper. But another way is, you equal a semibreve with a semibreve. You know? Because then a semibreve has 4 beats, and then another semibreve has 4 beats. It's like maths, but it's like a semibreve, so you add the beats, but not, you add the numbers of the beats, but not the beats. Because quavers is half a beat, so you can count it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you do 2 beats in one of your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the way to 4, because there's 4 beats in the semibreve. So then the answer is A. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to click on the bell. I'm really sorry about the pauses because I made a few mistakes because I wasn't really ready. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!